Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore and fix your corrupted system files inside of Windows 11. Now, it is very straightforward. We're just going to head over to our Start menu here, and you need to search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of here, we're just going to type in the command sfc/scan now, and then hit enter. And what this scan will do is it will scan the integrity of your Windows system files, and it will automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. So you will need to go ahead and wait for this verification to get to 100%. It can take a couple of minutes to complete. So once that scan gets to 100%, there's one more scan that we're going to perform. So I've just got this command saved on my notepad over here, and I'll also leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. And then we're just going to go ahead and paste this command inside of here. And this will perform a similar sort of scan as before. It's basically just a tool that scans the operating system for any corrupt files, and it will attempt to repair these automatically. So once again, you'll need to wait for this to get to 100%. And just like before, if there are any issues detected, it will automatically be repaired inside of this window. So once you've performed both of these scans, if that's still not fixed the issue, there's a couple more things we can do. So the first thing you can do is head over to your File Explorer, and then we just need to come over to your computer. So presumably your corrupted files are going to be inside of your C drive, but if you are using a different drive, then the steps will be exactly the same. And you're just going to right click on your drive, come over to Properties, and then come inside of the Tools tab. And down in this section here where it says Error Checking, we can just press this check button and then press Scan Drive. Now, this will scan just specifically our C drive to try and repair and find any corrupted or incorrect files. And if you've tried that and it's still not working, there's one final thing we can do, and that's to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. Then just come over to the Settings window. From the left-hand side, come over to System, come all the way down to Recovery. And firstly, I'd recommend selecting this option here where it says Fix Problems Using Windows Update. So we can just click this Reinstall Now button, and this will once again repair any of your broken system files. But don't worry, as all of your personal data will be left alone, and you don't have to worry about anything being deleted. And if you've tried that and it's still not working, the very last thing we can do is come over to this Reset This PC section, and just click Reset PC. Now, we can select this option at the top to keep my files. But unfortunately, this will remove any third-party applications. So because this is going to be reinstalling Windows to your computer, if you did have any third-party applications downloaded, then you would need to reinstall these after the recovery has completed. So you just need to go ahead and select Local Reinstall, and then follow the steps on screen to carry out the recovery. And like I said, this is a last resort option, but that should fix any issues you're having with corrupted files. And that's it guys. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.